Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVAX Fly 6 to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. Then you have to click Send on VIVAX and Receive on an Android. Now tap on all of these dots and tap Send to send all of your files. It will take some time, so I will only select this one song, tap on Send and click Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password or scan QR code. If you wish to scan the code, click on the scanning icon on an Android, select Allow and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!